How to fix Roblox cursor going off screen. If you have that problem, first of all, you have to check your display setting. So for that, right click on this and then click on display setting. Now under skill and layout, next to skill, click on this drop down box and make sure you have chosen this option that is 125% and which is recommended. And under that, under display resolution, click on it and then select the recommended one as well. Now once you have set this settings, go back. After that, click on the search bar and then search for Microsoft Store. On Microsoft Store, right click on it and then click on app settings. Now under this, scroll down a bit and then click on reset. Again, click on reset. Now once you're done with it, you can close this. Now search for Roblox, and under Roblox player you have to click on open file location. Again, go to Roblox player, right click on it and then click on open file location. Here scroll down a bit and then go to Roblox crash handler, right click on it, click on see more option and then click on properties. Now once you get this pop-up box in your interface, click on compatibility. Here check this check mark that says run this program in compatibility mode for, and under that select this option that says disable full screen optimizations, and then the second option that is run this program as an administrator. Now once you have chosen this, click on OK. And with this, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix if your Roblox cursor is going off screen, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.